back at 4ACP Cycles again. We just picked up a 2009 sv650. Very low miles, 2,422 on this 09. Got banged up in the front. We do have the headlight in the shop. So I believe it just has one broken tab on the headlight. But just wanted to give you a quick overview of the bike so you can see what we have. Everything will be on eBay on our 4acp.com website. And I'm going to fire this up so you can hear it. It runs. It's basically a brand new bike. There we are. No codes, no alarms. Stock muffler. It's very quiet. Sounds good, no leaks, fresh oil. Give us a call, 610-521-9444, or visit our website, 4acp.com. Thank you.